workshops, and she's a wonderful and talented teacher. She's her role model in dancing. It's a great role model. We all will agree with that. Her dancing pushes her to continue and to further her knowledge in the Tahitian culture. Her dream is to one day go to Tahiti and to dance in their haven. Also to learn more of their culture, to bring back and share with others who have the same passion. She would love to be the next Miss Haven in Hawaii because Tahitian is her passion. She would love to represent this amazing, and she would be honored. Tahitian is a part of her and her life, and like her mom always said, if you put your heart and soul into something, you will always succeed. Are we ready? Ladies and gentlemen, this is contestant number 5, the lovely Jaysha Pavon.